Hi everyone, I will show you how to unblock someone on Facebook. First of all, open your Facebook app, then tap the three lines on the top right, then tap the setting icon on the top. Now scroll down and tap to a blocking option. Now you can see the blocked people right here. If you want to unblock, then tap to unblock option and again tap to unblock and the user will be unblocked on your Facebook. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.